What if we told you you can see invisible things? What if we told you you can know the answer to any question? What if? That is all now possible with the 24 KUPI Invisible Watch. We are bringing you this new, innovative, invisible technology. When the watch is turned on, it looks like there is nothing on the screen. But when you use our special, unique glasses, you are able to see the content on the screen. To make this work, we use a special screen and special lenses. The glasses are unisex and made with good quality. Now you can upload content on the watch. Put the glasses on and enjoy your exams, because only you will have access to the hidden content.
Introducing MasterPan, the innovative all-purpose fry pan that lets you cook 5 different foods all in one pan. It's the everyday, every meal pan for faster, easier, healthier meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. MasterPan is unlike any other pan in the world. You simply fill up the compartmentalized cooking chambers and cook 5 separate foods at once using just a single pan.
We eat healthier foods at home.
I love that I can do a whole meal in one pan.
Great meals, easy cleanup. It's a win-win.
MasterPan is so durable and versatile, you could use it to cook a different meal night after night. The high-quality 100% cast aluminum design and energy-efficient base quickly deliver heat to every part of the pan. So, even with its spacious size, MasterPan still only requires one burner. That saves energy and money. Whether you're cooking on solid plate, ceramic, gas, radiant ring, or even halogen, use the center chamber for higher heat to grill meats and seafood. Use the side for lower heat on eggs, vegetables, potatoes, and more. Forget greasy fries. MasterPan will inspire you to cook healthier sides like asparagus, Brussels sprouts, all cooked in MasterPan. 5 different food chambers keep vegetables away from meat for vegetarians and prevents picky eaters' peas from mixing with carrots. Even cook fish and steak at the same time without mixing flavors and without dirtying an extra pan. Make MasterPan part of your master plan to reheat leftovers. Prepare meals for a group or multiple dishes at once. It's made for busy families like yours and makes smaller meals ideal for couples. Gives college students full meal cooking, and it's a perfect take-along pan when you go RVing, camping, and tailgating. MasterPan is light in the hand, yet so durable, it can crush this ordinary cookware. The 100% Bakelite ergonomic handle keeps MasterPan cool in your hand, yet it's heat resistant up to 350 degrees, so you can use MasterPan in the oven. Food peels right off MasterPan's double-layered, PFOA-free non-stick coating. Just wipe it clean or toss it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. MasterPan takes up less storage space too. Why spend a fortune on old-fashioned cookware that clutters your kitchen and takes forever to clean? MasterPan is 5 pans in one. It's the last pan you'll ever need.
can I get some ice cream?
The installation of Nuki can be done within 5 minutes. You just place the back plate on your existing door lock, fix it and put Nuki on it. After that, you pair it with your smartphone and set up the app.
We made a travel pillow that fits every sleeping position. We wanted something new, something different, cozy, hugging, and comforting. Your actual travel pillow. It hasn't changed shape in years. This is better. It no longer makes you sleep in weird positions. It fits you right in. As massage therapists, fitness trainers, and designers, we came up with a solution tested a zillion times on the pickiest candidates. Whether it's on a plane, in the train, on the road, at the office, or between activities. This design kicks ass. The material holds it tight. Everything is just cool. Perfecting a sleeping tool ain't easy, but nothing special is easy. Instead of trying your unwanted donut pillow on your next travel, bring us with you.
MonPère
Adapts to the life as you live it. You have what you need, when you need it, wherever you are. So that's it. We think it's pretty great.
Introducing IllumiBowl, a nightlight for your toilet. IllumiBowl's small and clean design means no more blinding midnight lights, wandering in the dark, or late night misses and messes. Easy to install and fits any toilet. Motion activated and offers 9 color settings at the touch of a button. Your bathroom will never be the same.
This is Hubiz, the first audio-based gaming console. You can play it alone or with others. Hubiz offers a huge variety of games, such as quizzes, dice games, music guessing, and even educational games. Basically, Hubiz can be your party starter at prees, your kid's entertainer, your storyteller, and much more. You can select games and quizzes from our app or create your own quiz games. With Hubiz, there are no limitations. You can connect up to 16 dice to the console.
Introducing OraSaifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The OraSaifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the OraSaifu to pay through NFC POS terminals, store all your cryptos, unlock your door. Even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but fantastic hardware. Billions of dollars worth of asset get hacked or stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. OraSaifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to guarantee 100% security over your asset storage and transaction. For cryptocurrency users, you can use OraSaifu as a cold wallet. And unlike the traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, OraSaifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology that is entirely off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and crypto software wallets are still hackable when they got lost or stolen. Not with OraSaifu. OraSaifu Smart Wallet will self-erase all your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your asset will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery? Introducing MUNCHER, the NFC-enabled backup chip for OraSaifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the MUNCHER can also replace the recovery words more securely and reliably. We believe a wallet should be not only functional but also be artistic. The OraSaifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. And it has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for your palm. We are a team formed by scientists and top developers specialized in blockchain and digital security. We are confident about OraSaifu, and we are ready on every perspective from software to hardware.
Recharging all your devices in countries with different outlets can be one of the biggest challenges you face. Zendur Passport Pro is here to help you. Zendur Passport Pro is specially designed for travelers. It includes a push-button fuse and ground connection, making it the safest global travel adapter out there. If there's an overload, the protection system will automatically engage to keep you and your devices safe. Simply press the button on the side to reset the fuse and restore power immediately. A ground connection is essential, but it's also the most complicated feature to put into a travel adapter. Passport Pro is the first travel adapter which can pass the latest safety certifications in Europe and the UK. Enjoy charging with the safest global travel adapter on the market. Passport Pro also includes industry-leading power delivery technology. Charging your device with the USB-C port, you can enjoy up to 18 watts of power and charge your devices more quickly than with the traditional USB-A port. There's no need to carry separate power adapters. With 4 built-in USB ports and an AC outlet, Passport Pro can easily charge up to 5 devices all at once. The unique press and slide control system allows you to quickly adjust Passport Pro to any outlet with just one hand. Traveling all around the world doesn't have to involve packing multiple power adapters and various connectors. Passport Pro is your compact, all-in-one solution compatible with outlets in over 200 regions and countries, allowing you to travel with peace of mind.